Welcome students and a very warm welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with the control flows. So in control flows we have two types of flows. Number one is if statement, and number two we have a switch statement. So today we are going to discuss the if statement. So we have total three types of syntax of an if statement. Number one is the if, and number two is the if, else, and end. And number three is the if, else, and end. So in order to understand these control flows, first of all, we are choosing a very simple example of the determinants. So yes, according to the determinants, we have the formula that D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So according to the determinants, we come up with the three solutions. Number one, that b square minus 4ac is less than 0, which means no real roots, and we have an imaginary result. Secondly, we have b square minus 4ac that is equals to 0, which means roots are real and equal. And thirdly, we got a result that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, which means that roots are real and distinct. So in order to understand the first if and end statement, we are going to consider this discriminant part. And for this discriminant part, I'm going to choose the value of a is equals to 3, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 2 in order to test that how this if else statement works. So this is the interface of the MATLAB. So we are going to create a new script file. So I'm going to click it here and I'm going to start it with CLC, clear all, close all. Now I'm going to give the values that a is equals to 3, and I'm writing a terminator at the end just to suppress the results. B is equals to 4, C is equals to 2. Now I am writing a discriminant formula. So I'm going to use the word discriminant, that is equals to B dot head square at minus 4 steric A steric C. So I'm not going to add terminator at the end because I want to see the results of this discriminant part. Now I am going to use the if statement. When I write if, so it's become blue. Now I am going to write the condition. So discriminant, if discriminant is less than 0, then they should display that roots are imaginary. And then I'm going to end this if statements. So yes, first of all, I'm going to save it on the desktop with a name statement.m. Yes, now I'm going to run it. So when I run it, so the determinant is -8 and the roots are imaginary. So if I'm going to change my values to 4, 4, 7, let's see what we will get. The results is -96, so it means that roots are imaginary. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.